And once more we're off to Assis, where there was a custodial pre-chapter assembly held at the Sacro Convento, filled with all kinds of activity to get ready for the chapter in February and March of 2025. So they were devoted to group discussions, following the model of our spiritual conversations. My good friend, Friar and Bishop Giuseppe Piemonte was there, as well as Johnny Voltan and a host of notables, including our General, Friar Carlos Trovarelli. They'll be getting ready for the discussions, and a great time will be had by all. God bless them. God bless us. They're doing a marvelous work where I lived for many years. Amen. Alleluia.